What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be comparing the specs of the BLACKVIEW TAB 15 with the specs of the OSCAL PAD 10. In case you're not aware, OSCAL is a sub-brand of BLACKVIEW, a subsidiary of BLACKVIEW. BLACKVIEW is kind of like the parent company of OSCAL, just like how Redmi devices and Xiaomi devices are basically from the same company. We know Redmi is the sub-brand of Xiaomi, the parent company. You get the point. I don't even know why I'm explaining it to you guys. Anyway, the BLACKVIEW TAB 15 will be available for just $169.99, I think, from January 9th. The OSCAL PAD 10 would be priced at around $129.99. So if you're interested in buying any of these two tablets, then make sure to use the links in the video description if you're interested. Okay, the BLACKVIEW TAB 15 is available in 3 different colors: lunar, silver, twilight blue, and space gray. The OSCAL PAD 10 is also available in 3 different beautiful colors: mint green, moonlight silver, and diamond gray. In this video, like I said earlier, I'll be comparing the specs and features of both devices. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's head into it. Perfect. So there we go guys. Which of the 2 devices is equipped with the best specs? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.